Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your VW Atlas key battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This common battery type is widely available. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. A well-lit area is also helpful to clearly see the small components. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button, usually found on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. This initial step is crucial for safely separating the key fob's two halves without causing any damage. Take your time here. With the screwdriver in the slot, gently twist it to pry open the key fob casing. The two halves should separate with minimal effort. Before removing the old battery, observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces up. Carefully remove the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it is placed in the correct orientation. This step is vital for proper functionality. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together until they snap securely into place. Next, reinsert the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's fully seated. Now, test the key fob's functionality by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle. You should find it working perfectly, saving you a trip to the dealership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.